this is Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kishtivity. Today's topic is math magic. You all know that I'm going to do magic with my brothers. Let's welcome them. Today's topic is math magic. I'm going to show you a magic. Let's start.
Yes.
Write your male members in your family.
Done.
Add 3.
Okay.
Multiply by 5.
Yes.
Add 20.
Yes.
Multiply by 2.
Okay.
Add your female members in your family.
Done.
Less 70.
Yes.
You get 2-digit number now.
Yes.
Add both digits.
Done.
That's your family members.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. How you got to know?
This is the magic. Want to understand? One more time. Bro, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Follow my instructions.
Okay.
Write your male members in your family.
Yes.
Add 3.
Yes.
Multiply by 5.
Yes.
Add 20.
Yes.
Multiply by 2.
Yes.
Add your female members in your family.
Yes.
Subtract 70.
Yes.
You get 2 digits now. Add both digits.
Yes.
That's your family members.
Wow, you are right. How it is?
It is the magic. How is the magic? I think you enjoyed a lot. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Kishtivity and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.